Hello everyone, with artprograms. In this video we speak about share information to Flutter. Now we'll start with add package share plus to pubspec YAML, save. Then we open main.dart and update information. Remove widget column. Add constructor. Write elevated button on pressed, then write child text, write char, save, add const. Then we open package share plus and read information, copy this information and add to parameter on pressed. Then we import package share plus, save. And we get error message. Now need remove folder build, then write Flutter clean and write Flutter pubget. And now we start run app. Open emulator, and now we can share information. Share information to message and etc. And we can share file or files. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you on the next lesson. Bye.